Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to hide your friends list from your friends or other players on your Xbox One. This is very easy to do, so if you don't want people to see it, let's go up to settings right here and select this. Then go on down to where it says account, go to the right and go to privacy and online safety right here. Then type in your passpin if you got one. Then we want to go to Xbox privacy. Then go to view details and customize. And go to friends and clubs right here. Then we want to go over to others can see your friends list. Decide who can see your friends list. So you have the options for everybody, friends, or you can completely block it so other people cannot see your friends list. So decide what you want. Then you can go through these other options under here just to see if you want those on or off. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.